In this lesson, we're going to do 3 more practice problems for average atomic mass. Again, the best way to use this video is to pause the video, do the first example by yourself, and then come back and check your answer. So, quick refresher, when we are calculating average atomic mass, we are going to do mass times abundance of the first isotope plus mass times abundance of the second isotope, and we do this for every isotope. When we have this notation system, this is the element, this is its mass number. So my first isotope has a mass of 55 times its percent abundance is 15%. To get the number out of percent form, we divide by 100. Plus mass times abundance, again take 85%, divide by 100. That will switch you over from percent form to decimal form. We want to use parentheses, so we make sure we're getting our order of operations correct in our calculator. And I got 55.85 AMU. Go through your checks. Your number should fall somewhere between 55 and 56. If it does not, check your math, check your work, you did something wrong. Next, iron 56 is much more abundant. It is worth more. It has a greater percent. Your average should be closer to 56 than it is to 55, which it is. Last check. You know that it is iron. So grab your periodic table. Iron has an average atomic mass of 55.85. Make sure you're close to that number on the periodic table. Example number 2. We're going to do the exact same thing, only now we have 3 isotopes. So again, to get our percent abundance into decimal form, we need to divide by 100. Then all I have to do is take the mass of my first isotope and multiply it by its percent abundance, plus mass of the second isotope times its percent abundance. And now we have 3 isotopes, so we don't do anything different. We take the mass of the third isotope and multiply it by its abundance. So we approach the problem the exact same way, but instead of having 2 isotopes that we add together, we have 1, 2, 3 isotopes to add together. 24 times 0.79 plus 25 times 0.1 plus 26 times 0.11, 24.32. Units AMU. Go through your 3 checks. Does your answer fall between 24 and 26? Yes, we're good. Next, which isotope is most abundant? Magnesium 24. Is our answer the closest to 24? Yes. Number 3, go to the periodic table. Magnesium has an average atomic mass of 24.31. We got pretty darn close, so we're good. All right, last one. So be careful when you are converting your percents to decimal form. Make sure you divide by 100. That means you need to move the decimal 2 places. So this one has 4 isotopes, but again, it is the same equation regardless of how many isotopes there are. Mass of the first isotope times its percent abundance, changed to decimal form, plus mass of the second isotope times its abundance, plus mass of the third isotope times its abundance. I'm going to have to write small, running out of room. Mass of the fourth isotope times its abundance. Alright, let's calculate this and see what we get. Alright, I got 52.057 AMU. Going through our 3 checks. First, does our answer fall somewhere between the smallest mass and the largest mass? If your answer is not between 50 and 54, you did something wrong. 52.057 does fall in that range, so we're good. Next, which isotope is most abundant? Chromium 52. Is my answer closest to 52? Yes. Third check, how did the periodic table? Periodic table says that chromium has an average atomic mass of 52.0, and that's just about what we got, so we probably did this problem correct.